Alright, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon everybody. Here's an explanation video about exercise 22, where we need to calculate the volume of my ice cream, and this ice cream has a shape as a cone. So we need to know what the formula is to calculate the volume of the cone, and that was 1/3 times the base of the cone and times the matching height, or the height of the cone. But be careful, because here we have no idea what the cone is, because the 80 centimeters is not the height of the cone. So let me just look at the front side of my cone. There you go. And this is 8 centimeters. This line was 18 centimeters, even the other one. So it is an isosceles triangle. Both lines are equal, but we needed to know the height of my triangle and of my cone. So here we need to use the Pythagorean theory before we can calculate the volume. Now, if it is an isosceles triangle, it is a symmetric shape. So if this is 8 centimeters, then the half of it is 4 and the other part is 4 centimeters. So we can use the Pythagorean theory to do a squared plus b squared is equal with c squared, which means that we need to do 4 squared plus b squared is equal with 18 squared. So 16 plus b squared is equal with 324. So b squared is equal with 308. So b is the square root of 308. And because we still need to go on with that square root, we can leave it as the square root of 308. Because we're gonna fill in there, the height, the square root of 308. So the volume is 1/3 times the base, and the base is a circle, so pi times the radius to the second power, so 4 to the second power, and then multiplied with the square root of 308. So the answer is 294,05 cubic centimeters. Because we need to go to liters, we need to convert the cubic centimeters to cubic decimeters, because cubic decimeters is exactly the same as liters. So we need to divide your answer by 1,000. So you get 0,29405, maybe etc. cubic decimeters, and that's exactly the same as liters. 0.5 liters. Alright, so we know the volume of my ice cream, and they say that per liter the weight is 650 grams. So how many grams of the ice cream are there in the cone? So we need to multiply that number with 650. Let's just do it over here. So 650 multiplied with 0,29405 liters, and that's 191,1325 grams. But we needed to round it to the nearest integer, so it is 191 gram. And that's the answer from exercise 22. So first you need to use the Pythagorean theory to find out what the height is from a cone. If we have the height, we can calculate the volume of the cone. Don't forget the 1/3, the factor 1/3. And if we have the volume in liters, then we need to multiply it with the total gram per liter. And then we know how many grams 1 ice cream is. And that's 22.